Videos are another way of adding dynamism and depth to the experience. They can be made as part of the scene, for example a video playing on a TV in the showroom. Here, we are adding a promotional video of the bike similar to the ones seen in real showrooms. By placing it behind the counter, it becomes part of the environment and acts as a real object. We can place the elements with more accuracy by using these transform properties. As you can see, it has values for translate, rotate and scale in the 3 axes. A video element contains settings to mute or change the volume of the video and looping in addition to other common settings. Videos can also be used to place characters in your scene and have them take you through or act out scenarios. Green screen videos can be leveraged for this. Let us add a green screen video of a guy to demonstrate how to do this. Here is a preview of the green screen video. To make the green screen disappear, you just have to click on this button. If the transparent area is not clean, you can always change the color to match the green screen of the video. Videos are not on autoplay by default. To make a video play, we will have to control it using connections. Let us add a quick connection, where we make the video play as soon as the scene loads. To see how this video looks in the environment, let us now preview the current scene.